Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a demonstration on how to make your boric acid depositories at home. And if you'd like to see and hear more, please continue to watch. Well, let's get started. From if you clicked onto this video, you may in the past or even as of right now may be suffering from bacterial vaginosis or maybe even a yeast infection. It's something that's very common with women that are sexually active and or who still get a menstrual period. It is not a sexual transmitted disease. It is something that happens. The pH balance will get off balance, and therefore a reaction may happen where you're itchy or you may even have an odor. The odor that I'm going to describe is something that we can't be embarrassed about it, but at the same time we know that it's not something that we want to have happen to our bodies. So instead of being embarrassed, we want to first take action. And this is a way for me to show you how to have some sort of freedom in being able to take care of yourself while you're at home. You don't have to wait for the doctor to give you a prescription or a nurse practitioner. It's something that you can do in the convenience of your own bathroom, home, wherever you'd like to make them. This is very simple and it is very effective. So if you suffer from the fishy fart odor that can be embarrassing, it is definitely the elephant in the room if it happens during intercourse. So let's get started on our boric acid 600 milligram depositories. First, you will need boric acid. Boric acid is something that you can get without a prescription, and also it is on Amazon, and I will put it in the comments down below so you know where to go ahead and purchase it from. And the next product you'll need is our double gelatin caps. Here they are a size 00, and there's 750 in this particular bag, and the company is Now, and this is easily accessible, again, through Amazon. I will link everything below, and you'll be able to make your purchases at your earliest convenience. And what you will do is you will put this in your medicine cabinet or a dark place away from children. And again, these are depositories. You are not to swallow. You are only to insert them in your vagina. Let's get started. And as I go through making the tablets, I will tell you what is a great remedy to use, and we can go from there. And they will look like this: your 600 boric acid depositories, and this is as simple as 1, 2, 3. So let's get started. Okay. So what I do is I take the gelatin caps. I'll open this up. I'll just do a brief demonstration of a few of them because it's really that simple. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to make this happen, but at the same time, this is an effective way to handle your bacterial vaginosis. Again, on my channel, I am not a licensed practitioner. I am not a doctor. I do not even work in the medical field, but I have found this remedy. And how this got started is I found this when I used to go to Planned Parenthood all the time for bacterial vaginosis. One day, I guess the nurse practitioner was like, this happens so often, looking at my records. And she gave me, long story short, she gave me a flyer. And the flyer had several different things in what may have this occurring, and what I can do to prevent it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to continue, but as you see, I'm making the cap. I'm packing the body portion of the capsule. This is the top. You can see there's such a difference as far as size is concerned. This is the top, and this is the body of the cap. So what I do is I just pack the body to get it at 600 milligrams, and then I put the cap on. I put it on tightly, I clean it off, and I put it to the side. And again, that's one insert per night into your vagina. And what I find, so back to the Planned Parenthood visit. So she gave me some things as far as like how to make my own, basically, boric acid depositories, because you can get a prescription for these depositories. It's the same exact powder, and why not be able to do this at home at your earliest convenience, where you don't have to wait for an appointment. Therefore, you don't have to go even longer having the discomfort that bacterial vaginosis will give you, or a yeast infection. You're able to actually handle this yourself. You know that it's bacterial vaginosis. You know you don't have anything else going on with your body. It's just something that you're prone to. And you can go ahead, of course, have the discussion with your doctor. They know what's best. But at the same time, you can have this product ready to go in your own bathroom or medicine cabinet. So again, we need to stay hydrated too as women, and we need to keep our vulva and V-zone and SweetV as clean as possible, and also keep her very dry. Wear your panty liners, make sure that you're wearing at least a cotton lining panty. Okay, so here is the 600 milligram depository. All right, so me getting the flyer from the nurse practitioner, it took me probably a year or so after I got the flyer from her to decide to go ahead and purchase the boric acid and the capsules myself to, to make my my bacterial vaginosis less discomforting, being able to handle it at home. So that's what I did, and from there, I've just lived a life more so of freedom, and I say freedom because if I don't have to worry about an eruption from my vagina, that means that my vagina is very healthy and cleaning itself properly. So that's why I'm here to share this with you. This is not because I think that I'm a doctor or I cure anything. No, this was passed on to me from a nurse practitioner, and I'm passing it on to the women who are out there who want to learn about this. And just to give you a little bit more insight on the 600 milligram boric acid tablets, the best remedy that I've come up with is if you insert one depository each night for 7 nights, and that you will find yourself having your pH balance at the 3.8 to 4.5, where you will not have a odor or any itchiness continue in your vagina area. You basically will have killed the fungi that has grown, and you'll be fresh again. Also, another thing that I have found is that doing it at night is one of the best remedies to clean the vagina and to remedy it while you sleep. And also, after you after you insert this in your vagina at night and you wake up and you go to sleep, you take your bath. I believe in taking baths. I feel that they really clean the vulva and the vagina area at its best. So that's just me though. Go ahead, take your shower, whatever you feel best. But I feel like sitting in the water is something that helps the vagina get its cleanest and its freshest, and drying it as much as possible after your bath or shower. I do have other videos out there that will show you products that I've tried and that I will be continuing to try other products to help us as women keep our vaginas at our pH balance. Again, that's 3.8 to 4.5, and to keep it tasting sweet and being fresh. And being feminine is being fresh and smelling good. So that's something that I've shared in other videos. I won't stop sharing. I truly enjoy this. This is giving me so much satisfaction in being able to share home remedies and keeping your pH balance. So I hope you'll find that this video was helpful. I hope that you will like and subscribe. I have a lot more to give and information that I would like for you to receive. And I hope that I will see you again on my channel. And this is 600 milligrams of boric acid. And this is how I make Depositories. And I hope that I will see you on Amazon, and you will have your orders in your basket, and you'll be ready to treat yourself. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for taking the time out to come to my channel, and I'll see you here again soon. Thank you, and have a good day.